Need to buy that cottage.
But actually, I don't wanna buy cottage in this place.
Yeah. This is like a mountain. Are they?
Like in tropical.
Yeah. Are they renting there? The people there renting.
Yeah, they're not renting, they're already buying.
Ah.
And sometimes come here living for
Oh.
few months, then go home somewhere in Talpa.
I take about that.
Yeah.
Oh, 345
Show
pounds.
to your husband, I wanna buy this one, it's for sale. Buy for me.
For sale, 345,000 pounds.
Yeah. 45. Oh. 20,000.
We need to go to lottery.
Yeah. You must be millionaire.
You must be millionaire.